Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Goods, the channel where we review the latest in tech and home gear to help you make smarter choices. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the Furnimics 50,000 BTU outdoor gas fire pit, a sleek steel fire table designed to heat things up and elevate your outdoor space. Whether you're prepping for cozy evenings or weekend hangouts, stick around, this fire pit might be exactly what you're looking for. When you first unbox the Furnimics fire pit, it's clear that this product was designed with the user in mind. Assembly is smooth and intuitive thanks to smart packaging and detailed instructions. You'll find everything you need to set it up, including gloves and even a screwdriver. What's included? You get the fire pit unit itself, lava rocks, and a removable lid that turns it into a table when not in use. However, keep in mind it does not include a fire poker or a weather cover. Those will need to be purchased separately if needed. This fire table isn't just about heat. It's a stylish piece that enhances your patio or deck. Built with a sleek black steel frame and filled with lava rocks, it blends form and function. The lava rocks add a rustic, natural feel, but if your taste leans more modern, many users have opted to swap them for reflective fire glass for a custom look. The tabletop lid lets you convert it into a full-size coffee table, making it a year-round centerpiece, even when the flames are off. With a powerful 50,000 BTUs of heat output, the Furnimics fire pit is more than just for show. It's a real source of warmth. Whether you're entertaining guests or relaxing solo, the adjustable flame lets you choose the perfect heat level. One user mentioned how quickly it warmed up their partially covered patio, perfect for extending your outdoor season into fall or even early winter. You control the flame using a simple dial, giving you flexibility without fuss. This unit runs on a standard 20-pound propane tank, which is neatly hidden in the base of the table. The built-in storage keeps the look clean and uncluttered. In terms of efficiency, you can expect around 10 hours of runtime on a single tank, depending on the flame level you use. That's more than enough for several evening get-togethers or a full weekend of patio lounging. Setup is surprisingly straightforward. Most users reported assembling the unit in under an hour, with the packaging and parts organized in the exact order needed. With labeled hardware, clear instructions, and even tools included, Furnimics has taken much of the guesswork out of the process. Once assembled, lighting it is just as easy. Turn on the gas, press the ignition, and enjoy the flame. Safety and durability are key when dealing with gas-powered appliances, and this fire pit scores high in both areas. It complies with safety standards and is safe for use on wood decks and porches, which is a big plus for many homeowners. Each unit is rigorously tested before shipping, ensuring quality and longevity. The steel construction feels solid, capable of withstanding the elements, though you'll want to protect it with a cover during bad weather. Let's take a quick look at what actual buyers are saying. One reviewer called it very nice and praised the easy startup and thoughtful packaging. Another highlighted how it's perfect for cozy settings and even replaced the lava rocks with fireglass for a more elegant look. Overall, users love the balance of performance and aesthetics. It's easy to use, looks great, and gets the job done. So, should you buy the Furnimics 50,000 BTU gas fire pit table? If you're after style, warmth, and a multifunctional outdoor centerpiece, this fire pit is a fantastic option. From easy setup to efficient heating and elegant design, it delivers great value at its price point. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Goods for more real-world reviews on the latest home and tech products. Drop your questions or experience with this fire pit in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.